Introducing the Uriva Walking Pad, your versatile solution for staying active at home or in the office. This innovative under-desk treadmill offers a 2-in-1 design, allowing you to walk or jog with ease. Designed with convenience in mind, the Uriva Walking Pad features a folding design for easy storage and portability. Its remote control allows for seamless adjustments to speed and settings, while the accompanying app provides additional functionality and tracking capabilities. Equipped with an LED display, this treadmill keeps you informed of your workout progress, including speed, distance, and calories burned. Whether you're looking to boost productivity during work hours or add more movement to your daily routine, the Uriva Walking Pad is the perfect fitness companion. Say goodbye to sedentary habits and hello to an active lifestyle with the Uriva Walking Pad. Click the link in the description to get yours today and take the first step towards better health and fitness.